Listen, man, we gotta get right into it. Y'all are killing us on this highway with them fucking high beam, man. Y'all killing us, man. Whenever we trying to pass y'all, please, 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 do not be blanking them high beams like fucking crazy. We know where you at. If you got your lights on and it's dark, we see you. We know how much distance it takes for us to get around you. Trust me, we know. You don't have to blink your lights 40 times trying to get our attention. We know. We know we got to get back in the right lane. You trying to do all this shit, trying to make you seem like you doing truck driver shit, it's not helping us. It's hurting us. Please understand that from the beginning. I can't stress this enough to y'all, man. If you cannot drive at night, stay off the highway, man. Stay off the highway. I mean, there is no excuse for you being on the highway with your high beams on, bright as a motherfucker, trying to drive. You can't see. Go get some glasses. Go to the dentist to get your motherfucking teeth fixed so you can goddamn see. Go to the neurologist so they can fix that shit behind your eyeball so you can see. Go to wherever you need to go to get your vision checked. Now, I'm telling you from the beginning, y'all are killing us. I'm telling you, with this high beam ass shit, swerving all in the fucking road. And I don't get how like y'all drive with these bright ass phones on at night. I mean, literally, before you can even get close to me, coming past me, I can look in my side mirror and I can see you on the phone. Phone bright as a motherfucker. I literally can see your goddamn face from a distance. And you pass by me, that damn phone lighting up the whole fucking car. I don't see how the hell y'all driving like that. Cause you in the dark, so you sit looking at something that bright. When you look back up into the darkness, it's darker than what it needs to be because your eyes haven't dilated to what you call that shit, to be able to see in that level of darkness again. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't see how y'all do that shit. I mean, I literally cannot look at my phone driving at night like talking about it, cause that shit hurt my fucking eyeball, man. And if I look back at that road, I can't see one flying fucking thing for like 5 seconds. So those are chances I just can't take. You know what I'm saying? I can't take them type of chances, man. Like, I don't understand how y'all doing it. But please, man, stop blaring your motherfucking bright lights when we trying to pass y'all. Don't do this shit. And another thing I said in my last video, when you see us got our signal light on, there's a reason why that signal light on. Somebody may be in front of us moving a little too slow. There could be an emergency in front of us. We may need to veer off to the left side of the road because somebody may have had an accident. You never know. And of course, it seems like we're just blowing down the fucking highway, jumping in front of folks when it's nothing like that. The only difference the shit you don't see is you're being disrespectful to the rules and regulations. Oh, my back itch. You're being very disrespectful because at any given moment, any vehicle can turn on the emergency lights. And when they turn on the emergency lights, the rule of the highway is to get in the fuzz lane away from the emergency. You know what I'm saying? Even if that left lane tell us truck drivers, no trucks in left lane. If those two right lanes are blocked off, or the middle lane fucked up because of an accident, we have to get into that left lane. I know the rule book tell a lot of us that we have a situation to run off to the right side of the road. That is not going to happen. Because first of all, anybody knows that what's going on the highway pretty much stops on the right side of the highway. You have an accident, everybody gonna get to the right side of the highway, on the shoulder. So if something happens, one of those cars could be trying to get around them. And if I go around them on the right hand side, slowing down, but still got a lot of speed on me, I'm literally more liable to hit somebody than getting into that left lane. And you know, it's take it how you want it. It's just common sense. Just take it how you want it. I really don't give a damn about it. But the thing is, the left lane has to stay open because we have to have an out. Don't get on the side of us, riding beside us for fucking 4 minutes. Don't. That shit is not safe. One of my tires blow out, my fucking drive tire blow out, and you ride on the side of me, that some bitch hit that motherfucking car. It's coming through that door. If it hit that windshield, it's coming through that windshield. If it hit that side window, it's coming through the window. It's coming inside that car where you are. That is the most dangerous thing on the highway, physically, that you can do to have yourself killed instantly. So ride on the side of 18-wheeler. It's just like me riding on the side of a car in my personal vehicle. I won't do it. I don't know when them fucking tires gonna blow out, and then they think, you know, they can't hold the wheel, they ram into the side of me. Just common sense, man. You know what I'm saying? It's just like common sense. Don't ride on the side of a vehicle. Either stay behind them or go on past them. As quick as you can. Safely. But as quick as you can. And a lot of y'all be just, I'm telling you, like, it's a lot of our pet peeves, man. Y'all literally getting this left lane or right lane, and y'all forgive me because I'm sleeping. But y'all getting this left lane or right lane, and y'all just fly past the truck. Zoom, running. Like you're doing about 95. All of a sudden, you get back in front of that truck driving 68, 67. But then when we try to pass you, you speed up. Like, I can be on the left side passing a car. They are not speeding up at all. I'm halfway through the damn jump, and they just take off again. You know what I'm saying? What did this shit be about, man? I know y'all be on y'all phone, but like, come on, man. Come on. Why keep hitting that gas, burning all your gas up for something stupid? Just because you don't want no truck in front of you. It don't make sense. But you'll ride on the side of us. Same rock that's going to hit you from behind me is going to hit you from the side of me. And like I say, my steer tires can get blowed out. My drive tires can get blowed out. And that's it. It's not going to be on me at all. It's not going to be on no truck driver. Because first of all, you should not be riding on the side of a damn vehicle for no 2 and 3, 4, 6 minutes. There's no way. Another thing, every time y'all see the highway patrolman, the police, y'all literally jam on y'all brake in front of an 18-wheeler. Do not do that. You already going, just go. He got somebody stopped on the side of the road. He is not going to stop that traffic stop just to come behind you because you're going 4 miles over the speed limit. It does not work like that. You got to understand you are not the only person on the highway. You got to understand that part. You see the vehicles plain as day. You get what I'm saying? Like, you see them. But yet you want to play tic-tac-toe when it comes to your life out here on this highway. Knowing that you got more of a possibility of losing by simply putting a X in the wrong box. And the wrong fucking box. Like, don't play with your life out here on this highway, man. It's not that serious. It's really not that serious. Like, do not play with your life out here. These vehicles that we drive are very, very, very fucking dangerous. There's a reason why a selected few set of people can drive these vehicles, because they are so fucking dangerous. A lot of these truck drivers, they really don't understand the concept of how dangerous these vehicles are. They really don't understand the concept. I see truck drivers flying down the road with their cell phone the whole fucking time, won't even look up. Just fucking steering wheel just shaking. They just on the fucking phone. They doing this shit. I mean, you literally at night, in daytime, they will not look up. All in the damn middle of the highway. They won't look up. About to hit your vehicle because they don't want to look up out of their cell phone. I can count probably on 3 hands how many times I almost got hit because somebody on their cell phone in their right lane veering off in the left lane while I'm passing because they're not paying attention to the highway and they're on their phone. Like, Facebook is that important. It's not. It's not. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Tumblr, Twitter, Pornhub, XNXX, the Bible app, Jesus app, what somebody FaceTiming you, ain't none of that shit important. YouTube, ain't none of it important. For you to be driving down the highway, focus on it, and about to kill 15, 20 people out on the highway. And including yourself. It's not that serious, man. I promise you it's not. Whatever you trying to find out of that phone, it can wait. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being honest. I don't condone being on that cell phone driving by no means. Do I do it? That's a question I'm not going to answer. And trust me, just because I don't answer don't mean I'm saying yeah. It don't mean I'm saying no. I'm just saying I will not answer that question now. You want to know the answer to that question? I got social media accounts. That's all you got to do. Go follow me. That's it. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, these trucks and these vehicles out here on the highway are very dangerous. Hitting them flashers, high beams, blinds us as drivers. And if we can't see, we're going to hit the brakes. You behind us, you're going to hit us from the back. Because you're flashing those lights and we're getting blinded. That shit is very bright in the mirrors. Very bright. And sometimes all it takes for you to look in a damn bright light. And we driving, true enough. We got to look in that mirror on both sides watching us every 15 seconds. You got to be watching your mirror, scanning back and forth, back and forth. But then soon we look over this way or look over that way and look like a motherfucking bright ass damn photographer camera. Blinking in our motherfucking eyeballs. And now we can't fucking see shit. And some people eyesight are way worse than you can imagine. We just be honest with you. A lot of them don't wear glasses. So, you know, that's a very dangerous game that you're playing. You know what I'm saying? Like, just don't do that shit. It's not that serious, man. It's really not. Like, y'all make an ass out yourself doing shit and then shit happen. You can't blame nobody but yourself. So stop blaming them damn lights like you crazy. You ain't gotta do that. We know that we can get over. We trying to get up for ahead enough so that the back wind of our truck won't be shaking and rolling in your motherfucking vehicle. Also, with you truck drivers, y'all do that same stupid ass shit. Blinking your goddamn lights. You got marker lights, hit the damn marker signal. Don't hit the damn fucking lights. Don't throw no bright lights on. Hit the damn marker signal. That's all you gotta do. But that's it, man. That's all I got for you. And just stop being stupid out on this highway, man. Have some common sense, man. Have some common sense. Really look at what you be doing, man. Look at what you do. Don't sit up and say, oh, he kind of cut me off and all that crap. It's the reason why I'm trying to get over. It's a real reason. I'm not just going to jump in front of you just because I feel like it. It does not work like that. I want to stay in the lane I'm in and keep rolling. I don't want to go out there making a chance for me to have an accident. I don't have accidents on my record, and I don't want them. And that's the reason why I'm coming to you on this video, so that you can help me keep my record accident free. Now, I don't know about yours, but I know I want mine accident free for as long as I can have it accident free. That's it.